At Discflo, we solve the toughest pumping challenges. For over 40 years, we've been providing superior solutions for industries that demand reliability, performance, and precision. As a CEO, I've had the privilege of working side by side an amazing team and leading this exceptional company. Our goal is simple: to deliver reliable, high-quality pump solutions that make a real difference to our customers' bottom line.
When all other pumps fail to solve their problems, customers turn to us for reliable solutions. We work closely with them not only to resolve their challenges, but also to minimize costly downtime. Our strong customer relationships are a source of pride for us.
Customers come to us when they need a reliable, long-term solution. Discflo Pumps are known in the industry as the original problem solver, providing a unique design that handles applications where other pumps fail. From highly viscous materials to abrasive slurries, our pumps save companies hundreds and thousands of dollars in lost revenue by eliminating downtime and keeping operations running smoothly.
Our pumps are engineered to handle the toughest applications across all industries, easily tackling challenges where conventional pumps fail. With over 10,000 pumps sold globally, we've earned the trust of many Fortune 500 companies. Discflo pioneered the original disc-pack design, setting the industry standard for performance and reliability. As the original innovator, we've earned a reputation for quality and delivering solutions for the most challenging applications. Our proprietary design and commitment to excellence remain unmatched, making Discflo the trusted choice for minimal maintenance and maximum uptime. At Discflo, we're not just focused on today's challenges. We're looking ahead to the future. We understand the increasing demands of industries that require more reliable pump solutions. That's why we're constantly innovating to meet those needs. Discflo pumps are designed for lasting impact, not temporary fixes. They provide a durable, long-term solution that minimizes downtime and enhances performance, helping our customers reduce costs and drive more profitable operations. We're dedicated to elevating our employees, our customers, and community while maintaining our position as a global leader in pump solutions. Through unwavering innovation, leadership, and a deep commitment to quality, we are building a future focused on long-term solutions and lasting impact. Discflo is here to solve your toughest pumping problems. Let's work together to build solutions that last.